Amari. It's just called Amari Bangkok now. It's changed the name from Amari Watergate. But this is our favorite hotel in Bangkok. And it's really nicely renovated now. Ganda. So this shower is really nice. Yeah, it's totally different from the last room we stayed at. That's the toilet. And so we got a king bed. It has like a little sofa. Little workstation here, and I like what they did with the TV. It's like it's in the wall. Linis. And then
it's more modern now.
Yeah.
But that one was really pretty.
Yeah, but this one has newer stuff, I think. So. And we're in the 18th floor, so the view is
it's really nice.
Pretty cool. So we're in Fil-Am again. It's nice to be back here.
And look, they even have your name on TV.
I know.
Say welcome.
Can't complain. Yep, my name.
They have your name.
Pretty
Mr.
cool.
Austin.
That's a little room tour.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Okay, we're at Suvarnabhumi Airport going back to the Philippines. Should have video coming here. It still is a really nice airport. I think D3 tayo. All the name brands. Now, grab. It's been a year. Always miss this airport. So we're going to D3 to now, Philippine Airlines. Nice airport. Philippine Airlines today. Yata yung lounge nila. Okay.
Station ground stop will be closing doors. All passengers must take their assigned seats now with their seatbelts fastened. Once again, this PR 731 bound
The
for
seats na pang
Manila.
dalawa lang. Going back to Manila.
Last two doors left. Copy crew, arms light and cross check please. And double check. Every crew take your station. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final approach and we'll be landing in a few minutes. Please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew landing station.